I want to explain a little bit on what type of furnaces are out there. So there's really three different style furnaces out there. There's something called the modulating furnace. Basically, that furnace, think about it like your stove, right? You turn on your stove with a nozzle and you regulate low, medium, high. So basically, that furnace will modulate depending on outside air temperature. So we do something called a load calc in your home, and we basically see how big of your furnace you actually need. All right. So think about if we do a load calc and it says, hey, you need a 60 on a 0 degree day, right? Because we have to size in Michigan for 0 degree days. So say it's 60. We don't want the furnace to come on at full capacity when it's 40 degrees outside. So what a modulating furnace does, it'll come on very, very low, 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 medium, medium, high. It has a lot of different speeding tabs, okay? So now let's think about a two-stage furnace. That furnace will come on at 0 to 50% capacity. And if it doesn't satisfy within 15 to 20 minutes, it will go to 100% capacity. And that's something called a two-stage furnace. And then the basic furnace we have is probably what you have in your home right now is your single-stage furnace. It doesn't care if it's 20 degrees outside, 40 degrees outside. It's going to come on at full capacity. It doesn't care how cold it is outside. So there's three different style furnaces out there. There's modulating, there's two-stage furnaces, and there's single-stage furnaces. Modulating is literally what it sounds like. It'll modulate. Two-stage, 0 to 50, 50 to 100. And then we have single-stage. It will just come on at 100% capacity. So it really just depends on what you guys want for comfort and efficiency, and then that will determine the price. So if you guys are wondering what's out there, those are the three styles out there. Thank you for listening, guys, to this channel. Thank you.